Hey guys, Jake Nicolle here. We're at 4181 Fly Road in Campton. This is our latest listing. We have a 2,300 square foot house on a 95 foot wide by 310 foot deep lot. That's nearly 3/4 of an acre. This 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom plus a powder, plus there's an accessory dwelling unit, an ADU here that has an extra bathroom. It's a successful Airbnb. You're gonna love this property. Welcome home. Welcome inside what is maybe one of my favorite properties we've listed in a little while, or at least right now, it's absolutely my favorite. I'm gonna tell you why. This home is unbelievable from the moment you enter. I actually don't know which way to take us, so I'm gonna flow this way. We've got a lovely dining room space. We actually have a powder that's tucked right back here. And you're gonna notice as we go through this property, I'm probably getting a little bit tongue-tied because of all the details, from the artwork to the light pendants to the wainscoting. And as we step over here, how fun is this mosaic tile, this cute powder room with this baby, almost like robin blue. There's a little bit of turquoise in there, small vanity, nice black. This is like the ultimate modern farmhouse, all right? Now, as we flow through this space, we've got this big, oversized eat-in kitchen. This is like the ultimate, space for you to be entertaining, having guests here. Look at the space between the island and the wall. This place just has this farmhouse luxury with the engineered hardwood. It's fantastic. And right off of our kitchen, we've got this big step-in pantry. Look at how far in this pantry goes. We got storage for days back here. Really lovely to have this. And this is everybody's dream, is to have a nice big pantry like that. And then I love the fact that this island has the contrasting two-tone with this, again, really nice turquoise looking color. It's like this soft green with then just the white of the cabinets here. Got the crown molding, big picture windows. And I love that the windows are framing the sinks. So we got a sink here, and then we got your big porcelain double sink over here that you can just watch your kids play in the backyard. We're overlooking our auxiliary accessory dwelling unit that's back there. You're watching your kids, you're hanging out. It's so nice to have this space with the subway tile backsplash. And then this space flows through into your living room. Look at this living room. I just love the space everywhere in this home. You're gonna hear me say that a ton. This is where guests come over. You've got these ceiling beam details that are to die for. I feel like we're in a cover page right now of AD. This is just total Architectural Digest written all over it. Pot lights everywhere, big beautiful windows framing the space. I love, again, the shiplap style of this backsplash that you're looking at with your TV, your console. This unit, as you can tell, this whole home is just furnished impeccably. It's perfect, so much taste. Designer furniture everywhere. It's so lovely. I can't wait for you guys to come see this one in person. And we're looking out, like all the views, looking out onto the 310 feet of backyard space with this covered deck with the birch tree going through it. I'm starting to describe the backyard. I'm having so much fun, okay? Now, before we go to the upper level, I want you to see this space right here, which will take us to the backyard in a minute. But look at this. Again, we got the shiplap style in here with the walls. We've got beautiful spot for you to drop all your jackets, your shoes when you come in from outside. A space for you to do your laundry, do all your folding right here with the floating shelves. Door that's coming in, cabinets all around. This is the ultimate spot for you to have as your landing pad as you enter this home. Now, I'm gonna take us through upstairs. I want you to actually follow me right up, because how romantic is this hallway? This is where you walk through. We've got the living room on that side, kitchen on this side, and this beautiful sconce lighting that, again, just makes this home feel almost like you're on a movie set of a designer home. It's so pretty. Like, look at the views again from all the angles. Now, come follow me up this lovely staircase to check out the upper level. Now, the second floor of this home is stunning because we've got 4 bedrooms. We enter our first bedroom right off the top of the staircase. We got a nice closet here. Again, beautiful windows of the backyard. We're looking out, we got our deck right there, which is so pretty. We've got a nice big closet space. Okay, look at this big walk-in closet. So really great to have this bedroom, even though it's a little bit on the smaller side. I think this more than makes up for it, and it's the ultimate space for a kid, teen, whoever's living here, looking out on your, again, 300 feet of backyard, which is just amazing. That 3/4 of an acre pretty much shows here. And I love that this space is the perfect little reading nook for you to have maybe a small bookshelf. You're sitting, you're enjoying the view at the backyard, you're hanging out in your home. I love it. And then this luxury vinyl plank flooring up here with this white oak style I think it really helps contrast the slightly darker lower level flooring, and it pulls that whole farmhouse look together. It's so, so nice. Now, as we step into our second bedroom, we've got a great sized room. I love how cute the little windows are. This window, again, big mature tree back there, blocking the view out there, so it gives you tons of privacy. And then we've got our closet right here as well for this room, which is fantastic to have. Good space for a dresser. And then this flows over into our first full bathroom. We had the powder. Now we've got our first full bathroom, one of three. We got a full bathroom here, full bathroom in the primary, full bathroom in the auxiliary dwelling unit. Now, when you enter this space, nice porcelain vanity. Again, I love the dark, kind of brassy black faucet, which is so pretty. Nice lighting, nice shower tub combo, really big, deep bathtub, which is so fun for kids or for you to just sit back and enjoy. And then we flow over into bedroom number 3 of the upper level. This is a large room. So you can tell both those other 2 rooms, the one is a little bit smaller, the second one's big, this one's enormous. It actually wraps around, if you come check this out, with tons of space. Again, big closet here as well. Perfect for a big bed, a queen, a study over in this corner. Love the flow of this room. I love the little dormer that you get up there. And then as we pass through to the primary, you'll notice on our left here, we've got all kinds of great storage. So really nice to have all these storage options for you, and it completes the look, right? The doors almost have that shiplap look to them with the 4 panels, the nice black hardware, looks lovely. Now, are you ready? Come follow me into the primary of this unit. It is stunning. It opens up with this ceiling that's been clad with all this wood paneling that looks so pretty. It's actually like wood flooring that looks amazing. And then you'll notice we've got this lovely pendant. We've got sconce lighting on both sides of the bed. It's the perfect primary. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. We've got that vinyl, luxury vinyl plank flooring in here that looks so good. And then we've actually got a full bathroom in here as well. So as you step over here, you'll notice we've got, again, that nice porcelain vanity, these floating drawers that look so lovely. And then we've got a big step-in shower, all right? Large, oversized subway tiles that just complete the look. Toilet over there hidden behind that door. And there's one more detail. We're not even done yet. This takes us over to our walk-in closet that is awesome. Whole bunch of built-ins for shelving, tons of space in here. This home is stunning. I know you guys want to come check this out, but we're actually not done because we have a whole other bachelor suite that's over the garage. Let's go take a peek at that. Now, here's the accessory dwelling unit. It's actually, today as we're filming this, rented out because it's so popular on Airbnb, and here's what we're looking at. We got tons of light flowing into this space. We got a little kitchenette that's perfect for you to be able to have meals for Airbnb guests, for them to come, hang out, have that space to themselves. Open living room, bachelor space for you to have the bed, the little sofa tucked back there. It's absolutely lovely, and I love that the views from here feel private. They're not looking at anybody. They've got this bathroom space that's just perfect for you to have as the Airbnb experience when you're in wine country, traveling around, exploring all that this Campton / Jordan / Lincoln area has to offer. It's lovely. And this space up here is also perfect because we've got AC here. We've also got combined heat so that in the winter or summer, you're totally covered and your guests are gonna have a blast. Or maybe this is where you're gonna send your teenagers to this space. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, for the rest of this tour, come join us as we explore the oversized backyard that you're absolutely gonna love. Here we go. The moment we've all been waiting for. This is the backyard here at 4181. Before we even step onto the grass or 310-foot deep backyard, look at this. We've got this amazing space. I love that there's this big deck space that flows to the driveway, flows into the backyard. We've got this beautiful tree that is just flowing out of the deck. Deck's built right around it. It's not going anywhere, lovely birch tree. And then we're looking at the exterior of the home. This feels like the ultimate farmhouse. We've got privacy fencing here, awesome spot for you to be entertaining with guests in the summer. And then as we step down, we've got, again, this deck wraps all the way around, but as we step down here, we're looking back now at the ADU. We've got this accessory unit, again, bachelor space up there, beautiful, beautiful spot. We also have a hot tub over here, so perfect space for you to just be the ultimate summer host hanging out back here. And then we've got our ADU back here in the background. So space to enter in through the garage, rear staircase up the back that leads you into a very successful Airbnb, bachelor space, little kitchenette. It's awesome. And look at how wide all 95 feet of width of this property looks in person. It's just amazing. So we've got a little chicken coop set up back there, not currently being used, but ready to be used. Kids play space. We've got the ultimate spot for you to have bonfires in the summer, hosting people back here, doing a little tree house back there, oversized trees, tons of foliage giving this property all the privacy in the world. Listen, I could talk about it all day long, but nothing is gonna be like you coming here in person and seeing this property. So pick up the phone, 289-216-6852. Text me, Fly Road, or pick up the phone, give me a call, book your own private tour so I can take you through this property, show you myself. You're gonna love it. I can't wait for you guys to see this one. And our job is to help you find your dream home, whether it's this one or the next one, but I have a feeling it just might be this one. Cheers, guys.